Hello and welcome to our channel again. So today we are going to remove needle bearing or pilot bearing from the flywheel of the 1.4 TSI Volkswagen, Audi or Seat engine. So as you can see, this is the engine. This is 1.4 132 kilowatt TSI engine. So we are going to remove this bearing, needle or pilot bearing from the flywheel and replace it with new one. This is the old or used pilot bearing, and this is the new one which we are going to install on the flywheel today. And the tool we will be using is this one, this sleeve, this spindle, bolt type shape, and this one, and plus for the installation we will be using this tool. As you can see, this is genuine Volkswagen and Audi group tool, and this is the part number if you wanted to have it. And we will install with this tool, bearing installer, and we will remove with this tool. So let's start and remove the bearing. Okay, we will be using this 17mm spanner to hold this one like so, and using screwdriver to tighten this one into this tube. Okay, now we are going to install this sleeve here like so, and then put this washer and put this. Okay, we are going to hold this firmly, so and tighten this nut with the 19mm spanner. So we are going to put that first in, then hold with this one. We got the old needle bearing or pilot bearing out. Now we are going to install the new one. Little bit more. Yeah, now the edge of the needle bearing is flashing with the flywheel surface. So that was the flywheel pilot bearing or needle bearing installation on one Volkswagen Audi Seat 1.4 TSI 132 kilowatt with CAVF or CAVE engine. And this is the transmission.